Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'm going to share you some important updates regarding some of the labs which most people are facing issue. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. First, we'll come to the work, meet, play series. Here you can see this lab. When you try to open it, some of you are facing issue. The lab was not starting. So currently they have marked it as optional, means you can see the required tag is not present. Now, what does it mean? If any lab is not showing this required tag, that means you can avoid that lab and complete all the remaining labs which are listed over here. You'll be able to get the badge without any issue. Okay, you'll be able to get the badge without any issue means just by leaving that lab which is showing not required tag, you'll be get the badge. Now, coming over here, some important queries like one more issue most people are facing, that in the migrating MySQL lab. Okay, they try to create the connection profile. Sometimes the connection profile not creates, sometimes the database or migration job is not starting. In that case, what you have to do, you have to simply restart the lab and try again. If you still face the issue, you can report to the support team. You have to just mail to the support team that I am facing this error. You have to attach a screenshot. If you want a video how to just mail to the support team, I have already made it and linked in the description. From there you can watch it how you have to mail the issues to the support team. Now, coming over here to the work meet play, here one important update is that if you have not completed this game in January or February or March, means you have not started from January itself, to be more precise, then you have to avoid this game because you won't be getting the points. They have clearly mentioned complete all the work meet play badges from Jan to June to get 7 arcade points. But if you are missing, means if you are starting from March month or maybe from this month only, then you won't be getting the points. So I'll suggest just avoid this badge because they have clearly mentioned, okay, as per them only. Complete all the remaining badges. You can see all these badges are there. Complete all the remaining badges, you'll be able to get the points over there. Okay, one more important update is that most of you are facing issue in this lab, this badge, that this lab is not working properly, this one. Okay, sometimes what happens when you open this lab, sometimes task 1 you get the score, sometimes task 2 you don't get the score, means in some task you get the score sometimes, and sometimes the score is not updated. Actually, there is some issues going on in this particular lab. Still, by trying 4 to 5 times, some people are able to complete. Sometimes some people are able to complete with one attempt only. So you can attach the screenshot or screen recording and mail them. Don't worry, the video is already in the description how to mail to the support team. You can watch from there. Most important thing is that if you are facing this issue, you can restart the lab. Actually, the solution is working fine. Internally, the lab is not working fine. Means their check my progress score checkpoints is not working. They are facing some technical difficulties. Okay. So like this, you need to understand about the program. And most importantly, Arcade Insider email was out yesterday, which contains all your points, whatever you have earned from the start till the end. In case you haven't received the points email, then also you can watch that video. Let me just show you. I think I posted yesterday only. Yes, here it is. How you can get the points email back again. Okay, you can see these are the things how you can get the points email. Mostly you have to fill this subscription form with the same email with which you have created the Arcade account and completed the badges. Then you'll be getting the Arcade Insider from next month. If you have started from April month itself, then you'll be getting the Arcade Insider in next month. If you have started from May month, then it will be getting updated in the next one. And if you have got the points email, do not worry. Whatever points you have earned from January, from February, or even from March, all the points will be added to the final counter. And as per the latest update, the counter is scheduled to open in December. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. If you want to participate in other events, other opportunities, you can always navigate to the channel. We have covered multiple things out here which will help you to learn, explore new things over here. So thank you. Have a great day.